Hi everyone, this is Ms. Wynn at 10 Oaks. I just wanted to make a little tutorial to show you where to find your online learning tutorials if you've missed your classes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into TransMath. You're going to see this blue website right here. If you don't know where to find it, you can always Google it and type in TransMath. And it's going to be a link that says TransMath It might not always be that first link that you see, so make sure it says transmath.voyagersurface.com. You're going to click on that and you're going to log in. Your username should be the same as the one that your teacher gave you to log into TransMath. That's cool. Once you're on your home screen, you should see your dashboard. This side will see your quizzes and your assessments. Where we're going to go most importantly, because I know you guys have seen VMath Live before, you're going to go into your tutorials, okay? These tiles might switch around and swap around, but you're always going to look for tutorials. You're going to click on that link. And right now we are learning Unit 8, Lesson 8, so you're going to watch the tutorial. Not the click-through, but the tutorial. So there's two links. One is going to lead you to the tutorial, and the other one's going to lead you to a PowerPoint. The second link is not the one you want. You want the first link. So again, always click on the first link. So this is your Apply Skills link, and this will be your problem-solving link. So let's click on our Apply Skills link here. This will walk us through our tutorial, and on the other end, the person is going to go through the slides for you to explain the slides to you. You won't hear it in this video because I'm talking, but you will hear it in the actual tutorial itself. Once you're finished with that, you can click out, and then you can watch your next tutorial for problem solving. And this will show you the tutorial for problem solving. It will go through the slides and talk you through it. Over here are some notes that you can look at. Once you're finished with these slides, and you'll know you get to the end because it'll stop and you won't see this next button over here, then you can get started in your Google Classroom homework. Again, that's going to be for every unit. You're going to see lessons. So when we go into Unit 8, Lesson 9, you'll click on this first link here and the first link here. You're just doing the tutorial, and that's it. All right? I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope this video helps.